for the grade 11 local syllabus English medium students. All of you have to do all the exercises of these lessons. Those of you have good free time to do all the things without any stress or pressure. If so, then now you have to do all the exercises and all the theories again and again by using this free time. It should be the thing according to this situation you should do. Okay, anyway, today we will start the lesson, the graph of a quadratic function. The graph of a quadratic function. What is a quadratic function? I will explain it. The formula model of this curved graph type, which is a quadratic function typeable graph, it should be y is equal ax into the power 2 plus bx plus c module is getting for this graph of quadratic function. Okay, now we will discuss what are the specification of this plot. Now we will get a graph like this. Now you have to understand some of things according to this sketch. We know this one as x-axis, already you know about x-axis and y-axis, and this point you know y-intercept, and this point and this point we know it as x-intercept. This one also x-intercept, and this point we know it as vertex. It is a turning point. Turning point also can you define this vertex point, and again it has some spacing line. We can know this spacing line by using the expression axis of rim. These are the major things you have to understand about the graph of quadratic function. And again I will explain another type of graph also. It has been shifted to right side. X, Y, X, and you know about these places. Y-intercept and x-intercept is in here. X-intercept in here also, and again it has a axis of symmetry. We can know this axis of symmetry is like axis of symmetry, and this point we can define it by using the word vertex. It is a turning point. And again now further we discuss about ax into the power bx plus c formula, and the value of a, what is the effect for the graph due to value of this a. It has two type of graphs. First one, opens up graph, and next one, opens down graph. You can remember about these two type of graphs by using this method. First method, it has a smile, positive smile. And it has some frown, negative frown. It has a special thing you have to understand. If it has a positive smile, A should be in this formula, A should be positive. If it's an A should be greater than 0. If you talk about the right side, if it's an opens down, if it's a negative forward graph, meaning of negative minus. According to this minus sign, A should be less than 0. Now you can understand, if it has a positive smile, A should be greater than 0. If it's an A should be positive. If it has a negative draw, A should be minus. If it's an A should be less than 0. You can define the value of A by using the vision of this graph. And again, it has a reverse detail also you can get. If you have a formula about any type of graph like this, I will get y is equal x into the 1 plus 1 x into the power 2 minus 2 x plus 3 or anything. You can define what type of graph you can plot due to this formula. For do that case, you have to, as a first step, you have to understand what is the value of this, what is the in front value of this x into the power 2, what is the in front of this x into the power 2, it is 1, positive 1. Because of this positive 1, it should be opens up graph. Okay. Anyway, so today we will end the class. After that, I will try to do some explanations of ordinary level task, ordinary level examination questions due to this lesson. You also have to try all the exercises of this graph, and after that you can send some doubt questions due to this lesson for our WhatsApp group. Are there any doubt questions? I will, you trust, I will make any solution for that doubt questions, and you have to work hardly. Don't afraid due to this time. You have to work hardly. It is the last thing I have to say to you.